Nutritious and delicious, fresh fruits and vegetables contain nutrients that are essential to maintaining a healthy body. The Kuvings Silent Juicer is the best way to extract juice while preserving the maximum amount of nutrients and enzymes. The 240-watt brushless AC motor transfers the power to the Ultem juicing screw, and the result is maximum juice, bone-dry fiber, and juice that won't separate because the pressing method occurs at a lower speed, preventing overheating and preserving precious enzymes, vitamins, and nutrients. The drip-free Smart Cap spout is great for making mixed juice and quick rinsing. From wheatgrass to pomegranates, Kuvings works on both seeded fruits and leafy greens. Easy to assemble and clean, just close the Smart Cap, pour in water, and when you're finished juicing, the specially designed cleaning tool makes it effortless to wash. Use the separately sold attachments like the blank strainer to make sorbets, or make smoothies with this strainer attachment. Quiet, sturdy, compact, and made with BPA-free components, prolong and protect your health with 100% pure juice with the Kuvings Silent Juicer.